Good morning to all my awesome friends and family. I'm joining in today with Annette's Place. She does beautiful tablescapes and all kinds of home decor. And please go check out her channel. I know you're going to enjoy her. You can tell by these pictures. Are they not beautiful? This is her tablescape, butterfly tablescape. So beautifully put together. She always does such beautiful things. I always enjoy her channel so much. And then we have Glamour Ellen is the co-hostess. Another beautiful, awesome channel. I can't believe all the beautiful things that she puts together on her channel. I don't know how she finds all the time to put them together. They're so beautiful and so glamorous. And here's just to give you a slight little idea what I mean by glamorous. Into Summer Butterfly Tablescape 2020. Is it not beautiful? She puts so much detail into her tablescapes. If you haven't seen this one, go over and check her channel out. It's beautifully put together. Now let's see what Grandma's done. Well, here we are. We cleaned off the table and we put our black cover over it, and next we're going to do the lace. Now we have the lace over the table, and now we're starting with our next project. Now we're placing a table runner over the black cloth and the lace. Put my mirror tray in the center of the table. Now here we have our flower arrangement that I put together this morning. This was not too expensive. The flowers were from my granddaughter's wedding, and I've used it in prior posts, so that would be free. The butterfly was from a prior post, and that was free. These flowers here I got at 60% off, so I spent about $12 for that, and another $6 for these, so $18 for this flower arrangement. But once you spend the money and you write it off, it's free from then on. So the total cost of this flower arrangement was $18. Well, here it is, all finished. My beautiful centerpiece that I put together. The tray I already had, the candlesticks I already had. Still haven't got any candles for it yet. But I went ahead and put them in anyway. It's a future project to come up with. This is a napkin I put in a frame. The frame was from Dollar Tree, so that was $1. The honey pot I already had, and the reason why I used it is because it had a butterfly on top. Now I know I have more butterflies, but I have misplaced them. Well, this one here, this butterfly, my grandson gave me, so it hadn't been packed away yet. So I used it in here. All my butterfly pieces have been packed away, and I looked for them, but I can't. It was just too overwhelming. I gave up. But I still had the napkins where I could find them, so I framed this one, and then I used them down here on the table. I thought they turned out so pretty. And of course, I have all these beautiful plates and chargers, and already had all of this. This is not new. And of course, all the glassware I already had too. So it wasn't new also. And then of course, these beautiful serving plates. You could put your meat on here, and this is a matching piece that goes with it. And it's the bowl you could put your veggies in. And needless to say, I've had this for 15 or 20 years. I don't remember where I picked it up. I just know I liked it, and I picked up the set. I might have bought it at the Goodwill. I might have bought it at a store. I don't really remember. But I think it turned out pretty good. And the only real expense was mostly the flowers you see here, and they will be free from now on. The napkin I already had, so we can add another $1 for the frame from Dollar Tree, but that's the only other expense I used. Everything else I already had. Hope you enjoyed this tablescape.